Dear students of class 1, today we will discuss about the topic of My Body Helps Me. That is lesson 3, page 10. In our previous assignment, I gave you some parts of the body to learn. So now in this lesson, we are going to learn how the parts of the body helps us. So dear students, in our day-to-day life, we perform different action by moving different parts of our body. And the parts of the body helps us in many ways. For example, hands, legs, eyes, nose, and many things. So now let's do some activities. Dear student, will you please stand up and clap your hands? So now, which part of your body helps you to clap or stand? It is your hand that helps you to clap, and your feet and leg that makes you to stand. So apart from clapping and standing, there are many things that are part of body helps us. For example, the hands helps us to eat. We also use our hands for holding, writing, lifting, and many things. So now let's look at our textbook. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. One has been done for you. So now look at this picture. What is the girl doing? She's drawing a picture. So these are all the uses of hands. Below the column, you will see that this written, I used my hands to draw. So now let's look at the second picture. What is the boy doing? He's having his breakfast. So the boy is eating his breakfast by using his hands. So you can write, I use my hands to eat. The third one shows that the boy is wiping the plates. So with the help of his hand, the boy is wiping the plates. And the fourth picture shows that the girl is holding a box. So she's using her hands to hold a box. And the fifth picture shows that the boy sitting in the wheelchair is writing. So he's using his hands to write. The last picture shows that the girl is lifting a stone. So with the help of his hand, the girl is lifting a stone. So in the same way, the legs helps us in many ways. The legs helps us to walk, run, jump, and many things. So now let's look at the picture and complete the sentences. One has been done for you. So look at the picture. What is the boy doing? Number 1, he is walking. So these are all the uses of legs. I use my legs to walk. The second picture shows that the girl is running. So I use my legs to run. And the third picture is hope. I use my legs to hope. And the fourth picture shows that the boy is standing. He's using his feet and leg to stand. So I use my legs to stand. The next picture shows that the girl is kicking a ball. So she's using her legs to kick. And the last picture shows that the girl is jumping. So she's using her legs to jump. The eyes also helps us to see. Ears helps us to hear. And tongue helps us to taste. So now let's look at the picture. Read these sentences. I see with my eyes. The picture shows that the boy is watching a TV. So with the help of his eyes, the boy is watching TV. And the second picture shows that the boy is listening to music. With the help of his ears, the boy is listening or hearing a music. And the third picture shows that the boy is smelling the fragrance of the flowers. So with the help of his nose, the boy is smelling the fragrance of flowers. And the next picture shows that the boy is tasting a chili. With the help of his tongue, the boy is tasting a chili. And the last picture shows that the girl is touching the cactus plant. For example, if we touch the cactus plant, the thorny plant that is present in the cactus will hurt your fingers, right? The same way, the girl is touching the cactus plant. So she's feeling This is the example of feel. So I feel with my skin. For your home assignment, class 1, EVS Environmental Studies, lesson 3, my body helps me. Dear students, please write down in your notebook and learn it. Underline the correct answers. Number 1, I write with my leg, hand, head. Number 2, I read with my feet, eyes, nose. Number 3, I use my hands, ears, legs to walk to school. Number 4, I use my stomach, chest, hands to throw a ball. Number 5, I use my eyes, nose, legs to smell. So dear student, please write it down in your notebook and learn it with spelling. That's all for today. Thank you.